हे लवलीज, वेलकम टू मुसाफिर अनप्लान्ड, जहां हम बात करते हैं ऑल थिंग्स ट्रैवल एंड लाइफस्टाइल। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट दिस परफेक्ट ऑल इंक्लूसिव रिजॉर्ट जस्ट 40 मिनट्स फ्रॉम मुंबई। बाय द वे, हम हैं ट्रैवल जंकीज शेरॉन एंड लॉर्ड। डू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन फॉर आवर लेटेस्ट ट्रैवल एडवेंचर्स। ये है ईस्ट इंडिया हाउस इन उत्तन, where we celebrated our toddler's birthday. Wait till I tell you what's included in this all inclusive stay, so stay tuned. The moment we entered here, it felt like stepping into a tropical destination with lush greenery. यहाँ आपको मिलता है chic bungalow style rooms with spacious green balconies and an infinity pool. We loved the beautifully designed sun-kissed rooms जहाँ हम sunset देख के chill कर रहे थे as a family. You can see the architecture and green planning here is just amazing. Itna greenery so close to Mumbai surprised us the most. After freshening up, we were called for brunch. This is their dining area. Our stay came with unlimited four-course brunch, dinner, high tea and breakfast. आप वेज या नॉन वेज के बीच चूज कर सकते हैं. They also gave baby meals for our kid like smashed potatoes and khichdi, which he enjoyed a lot. मील्स की शुरुआत हुई रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल सर्विंग ऑफ सूप से, फॉलोड बाय स्टार्टर्स, मेन कोर्स एंड देन डेजर्ट. आप जितना चाहे उतना ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. ये है ट्रेडिशनल ईस्ट इंडियन पैनकेक्स. वी वर ऑल्सो सर्व्ड क्रिस्पी वॉफल्स एंड फ्रेश मेंदू वड़ा. एवरी मील वॉज अ शेफ्स किस. ये यहाँ के नेटिव ईस्ट इंडियंस का पिक है, रिच इन कल्चर एंड ट्रेडिशन. We had the best time with our little one. ये उसका थर्ड बर्थडे है एंड सीइंग हिम एक्साइटेड इन द पूल एंड ट्रैकिंग एक ऐसा मेमोरी है दैट विल रिमेंबर फॉर लाइफ. After evening tea by the pool, we were served traditional East Indian dish fugias, small sweet donuts. फिर हमें लेके गए guided trekking पे on the Uttan Hill, where sunset views were absolutely amazing. This was the best part of our trip. Apart from the rich food, our birthday boy enjoyed it the most. अगर हम इस स्टे की वैल्यू की बात करें, दिस रिजॉर्ट हैज़ अ फ्राइडे स्पेशल 6,500 all inclusive for two. I would prefer this if it's not a birthday like occasion. On other days, it's 9,000 for two all inclusive. Kids stay and meal was free. Since my son's birthday was on a Wednesday, we decided to indulge and paid 9,000 all inclusive for us three. हम बर्थडे पार्टी पर उतना या ज़्यादा स्पेंड करते, सो दिस डिसीजन टर्न्ड आउट टू बी वर्थ एवरी पेनी. नाइट व्यू इतना पीसफुल था while we were swimming and relaxing. We were the only ones here on this day, so it felt so exclusive. आप इमेजिन करिए, golden skies turning to pink, sea breeze and untouched panoramic views, so close to Mumbai. हमें बेस्ट क्या लगा? We reached here in such a short travel time from Mumbai. For parents with kids like us, आप जानते ही हैं कि long travel can be really tough with kids. So we were really happy to reach an exotic place like this from Mumbai in less than an hour. Dinner was ekdam must, from surmai fry, continental dishes and prawns. We also ordered a beer to chill. यहाँ आपको weekends पे pottery classes and live music भी मिलेगा. By this time, our little one was tired with all the activities and so we decided to have an early night. Next morning was beautiful as ever. Sad that we had to go back, but knowing we can come here again in under an hour from Mumbai suburbs felt good. खाना वापस amazing था. Our friends and relatives actually messaged and asked us if we were in Goa. और हमारा Insta reel viral हो गया. By the way, for instant updates, our Insta handle is in the caption below. You can also check this resort's website for offers. I'll add the website, location and contact details in the caption. So guys, that's it for today. मिलते हैं हमारे next vlog पे. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Musafir Unplanned and follow for more such amazing finds.